The issue of alleged youth involvement in rebel groups has resurfaced after the Armed Forces of the Philippines questioned the Makabayan Bloc in Congress. A former Department of National Defense Secretary also called on the Commission on Elections and Congress to look into the alleged recruitment of young people to join the New People's Army. Almar Forzuelo has the details.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines questioned the Makabayan Bloc in Congress over why some of its members end up in mountainous areas and become involved in armed encounters. This follows a recent clash in Abra de Ilog Occidental, Mindoro, which resulted in the death of a member of the Kabataan Party List, according to AFP Chief Public Affairs Office Colonel Cersas Trinidad. Based on their experience, government forces have repeatedly encountered young individuals who were members of groups under the Makabayan Bloc. This prompted the AFP to question Gabriela Party List, Kabataan Party List, and other affiliated groups on why their youth members allegedly end up joining armed groups in the mountains.
At ating katanungan sa kanila is paano napunta ang ilang kanilang membro at marami pang mga naunang membro estudyante ng Gabriela, member sila ng Gabriela, Kabataan, and all of these party lists, youth. Na later on encounter na may armas at namamatay. Itong mga kabataan na to. So yun po yung katanungan natin. Bakit sila napunta doon?
Meanwhile, former DND Secretary Norberto Gonzales insisted that the Commission on Elections should closely monitor party list groups to ensure that the electoral system is not being used for illegal activities. He said the law clearly prohibits any form of armed struggle.
Kailangan sigilin ng pamilya. At saka yun, dapat pinomonitor kung talagang hindi ka na nag-i-engage na armed struggle. Pero so nakikita natin yan, talagang malinaw.
Gonzales added that Congress should also take action regarding alleged recruitment of young people to rebel against the government.
Dapat. Kasi tingnan nilang mabuti yan. Kasi against the law ang pag-conduct ng armed struggle. Yung armed rebellion ay hindi yan tinotolerate ng batas natin. Kaya kailangan tingnan na progreso yan.
When asked why left-leaning groups continue to secure seats in Congress, Gonzales said this was due to corruption and alleged assistance from former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, which he claimed allowed this group to remain influential in Congress.
Lalo na sa COMELEC. Talaga namang, alam mo, napakalupot na yung kaisa-isang karapatan ng mga mamamayan sa pagpili ng mamumuno sa bayan natin, binibenta pa. Mas malaking kasalanan yan actually. Alam natin na may mga party list na tinulungan ng dating speaker para manalo. At ang panalo, hindi nangangahulugan na dahil ipinoto ng tao. Kaya yan ang masaklap sa politika natin.
In closing, the AFP said it will continue to conduct operations to put an end to the recruitment of innocent youth by communist groups.
For the Armed Forces of the Philippines po, tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa pag-conduct ng ating operations para po tuluyan na po natin na masuplong itong mga ganitong armadong grupo at hindi na po dumami pa itong mga nalinin lang po ng mga ganitong grupo.
For God and my beloved Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNA News.